Welcome to Eddie's Math. My name is Edward Hector. Do remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Welcome. We are going to look at some number theory questions. Okay, the first question states, which of the following set has a finite number of members? Finite, that means that it has an exact number of members. Now let us look at all of them. We start at D. Prime numbers greater than 300. There are numerous prime numbers greater than 300. It goes on endlessly. Odd numbers greater than 10. Likewise, there are odd numbers, a whole lot of odd numbers greater than 10. Multiples of 40. It starts from 40 and goes up in increments of 40. So that goes on endlessly. Factors of 40. Now the factors start from 1 and ends at 40. Therefore, the answer to that is A. A has a finite number of members of that set. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is a prime number? Now, if you know what the divisibility rule is, you have to basically look at all those numbers. If you 51, if you add the digits in most of them, sometimes it gives you an idea. All of them end with odd numbers. C is out because it has a 5 at the end. That means a 5 can divide it, so it is not a prime number. Now let us look at another thing. Add the digits. When you add them, you get a number that is divisible by 3. Those numbers are divisible by 3. So 51 is 6, so that is out. 55 is out already. 57 is 12, so that is out. So the logical is 53. Now I would suggest that you go and check with your divisibility rules. They have a couple of them for different numbers. 2, that means that there must be an even number naturally. 3, when you add the digits, they must get a multiple of 3. Anyhow, moving on. The next question. Say x is equal to 2 to the third power times 5 to the second power. Then they want to know what x to the fourth is. So if x is raised to the fourth power on the left hand side, we would have to rewrite, work out what this is. Everything raised to the fourth power. And by the rules of indices, we have to multiply the indices. So therefore we get 2 to the 12th and 5 to the 8th power, which gives us the answer is D. Next question. 3 lights flash at intervals of 2, 6, and 14 seconds, respectively. They are started together. How soon after will they next flash together again? Now, to solve this, we'll have to look at the multiples of all those numbers. And to find which one is the least common multiple would give us the next time all of them are going to flash together. So basically what we want to find is the LCM of 2, 6, and 14. Now let us look at that. 2 is 2 times 1. 6 is 2 times 3. 7 is 2 times 7. The LCM must have a 2 in there. It has to have a 3. And it must have a 7. So that gives us 6 7s is 2. So the answer is B. Thanks for watching. Do remember to subscribe to the channel that you'll get a notification as to when I post another video.